we are going to learn about what is array and what are the pointers, how to declare the two-dimensional arrays, how to declare pointer to the array, what is the initialization of the array, and array of pointer declarations. These contents and all we are going to learn. First one, what is array? Array is a data structure. I want to store 10 integers in a continuous memory location. Starting with an address 0, we use array only. It taking the elements 0 to 4 or 5, that continuous elements are stored in the memory locations with the address. It taking the address also from the 0th element, it taking the address 1000, and for that data type it incremented by integer means 2 and float means 4 and character means 1. So in integer 1000 is incremented to the next element 1002, and the next is 1004, 1006, 1008. That's and all it incremented. We want to store the elements in the continuous memory locations used array only. For the second picture, we see int num is 6, int num, these and all size of the array mentioning in that. This is the size of the array. These are all the elements in that array. We not mentioning size is also not mandatory, because array in C there is no check to see the subscript used for an array. Exceed the size of the array is called the buffer overflow. The second int and float is called the buffer overflow. It is not mentioning the size, but in the elements 6 elements is present. We also included the 7 and 8 elements is also include, but the only problem is which is not allowed for the program, only access don't know the value also, so it is stored in the garbage values. Like that it can lead to improper results while coding. It ensure that you are not crossing your boundary. It come from the compiler is given the instructions from us, from our codings. They give the instructions like that. Next one, what is pointers in array? Pointers, it increment the pointing to the point immediate next location of its type. From that first picture, it 1002 I mentioned, 2004 J is mentioned, 5006 K is mentioned. It is the address of the memory location, it is the element, this is the variable to declare what is 3 1.5 C and all declared by IJK. Suppose we follow the statement or executed x equal to ampersand I. Ampersand is noted as the address. Using star is also noted by the pointers. Using star and address both are the pointers. In this one it is changed. X equal to address of I means address of I is 1002. That changed in the x element, and it has created the one more address for x element. In this 2004 stored in the y element, it has stored the one more address for y. Same thing this is follows. This type how the pointer is mentioning in the array. Next one is on incrementing. Pointers is how incrementing means based upon the data type only. Pointers will be incrementing or decrementing data by memory occupied data type. That many times is also same data types depends bytes only. It's incremented. For this one, pointer is incrementing one by one only. If any data types is included into float characters, that's only they incremented 2 4 and 1 character. But the pointer is star j, it's incrementing 1 by 1 and decrementing also 1 by 1. In that program it initializing the star j, declaring the variable to the integer, and it using the j is equal to unnum star as an address of the 0th element. So the array using this pointer is also possible in that picture. Next one is two-dimensional array. From this picture, two-dimensional array is declaring the example s of 4 2. S is the base address. Base address means name of the address to be started first. So name of the first address is called the base address. This 4 and 2 is mentioning 4 arrays, it mentioned by the s of 0 to s of 3. This 2 is an element in that four arrays. S of 0 has 2 elements, S of 1 has 2 elements, S of 2 and 3 also has a 2 elements. That is mentioned in that int S of 4 and 2. It is the 2-dimension array. For this, using this S of I means it includes S of 0 to S of 4 elements. It include simply as an S of I. It is rewritten as star S plus 0 to star S plus 4 also, it initializing that. For in this case, using multi-dimensional array is also possible. It is two-dimensional array. Multi-dimensional array means here instead of 4 using 5, and instead of 2 using 3. This is the multi-dimensional array. From the next slide, how to declare pointer to the array. How to declare the pointer means int number 3 points to the array. Same int star p is pointer to the integer. Pointer to point base address by this also. Pointer is including the star. Same address is also declaring this one. So using in that pointer, this type only in array is possible to declare without any error messages. Next one is example 3 elements each has the 4 bytes means 3 into 4 it gives us the 12 bytes. The address of array is 1000. It is an integer type, so it increases the 1000 to 1012 to store the pointers. The main thing in that declare pointer to array is array of pointers, each element stored address only the pointers. It takes each element in the array, that is pointers, mentioning pointers points to the integer, and pointers points to the address, and pointers points to the function. This all are possible in that pointers in array. Next one is initialization of array. How to array is initialized? From this picture, we initialized 100 is 0 0 location, and 56 is 0 1 location, and 127 is 10th location, 6 7 is 11 location. Same thing, this is 20, this is 21, this is 30 and 31. This is how declaring or initializing the array. From this 4 element, it is not mentioning the 2, because this 4 s is the base address. We know the base address means name of the first address. Okay, that is base address. From 4 is the number of rows. Number of rows is mandatory use in that 2 dimension. Second one is number of columns. This is not mandatory to insert the elements. Not mandatory to use, so it is not necessary to use the columns, only row is mandatory. Next one is array of pointer declaration. How the array is declaring in the pointer wise. Pointer function in the points to the function. Using the pointer functions is also happens. From this one, array, this is array address. 0, array of 0 is an array address, it's equal to assigning the ampersand of I. So array address is assigned to the ampersand I. Array of address 0 is I, means 1 is j, 2 is k, and 3 is l. This ijkl is mentioning here. These are the elements in this array. These are the address in this array. The content of the array would have been this address is randomly chooses, not depending upon any data types. So after that, mentioning this address, we change that address in that in this elements. After array of 0 and array of 1, 2, 3, it have created some another address for that, because array has an address and elements. Also the initialization 0 0 starting and up to incrementing the 1 by 1. So in this case we used address to point the address. This is also the pointer to mentioning the address. From this ijkl elements changed, address is also changed. From the next one, some examples of the array of pointer declaration is given. Integer star pointer is a pointer function, points to the function. Star p is a pointer. Int star p is pointer, points to the integer data type. Int star p of this also points indicate the function. Assigning p as a function of, it is the pointer function. Simply how we call the function, address p of and star p of both are same, calling the function in the two ways. Example, int a of 4 is ampersand is not used in this case, and this one int star p of 4 pointing to the array, pointers to the function only. Both are pointers to the function and pointer to the integer variable also. From the last one, void star ptr int star a and of 5. Void is a data type that returns nothing, in that program. Star ptr is a pointer, points to the function, points to this function only points to ptr, and this int is an integer variable, and star a and 5 is a argument part. So the function that argument indicates is the address of 5 elements in that pointer. This is only this code is explained that. So in this case we return the integer parts. Void means it not returned, it including this integers of array, five elements, it points to that void data type only. This is how function points to the function and returns what is the data types and how it returns. Thank you.